All right, let's talk about today's video. Well, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to work in the bike shop today. Got a lot of work to do on the bikes. So we're going to head over into the bike shop and show you what I got going on today. So there's quite a bit of bikes we got to work on. So first of all, the kids single speeds. Got a bunch of new tubes. We're going to go ahead and get those put on the bike. So I actually got a box of brand new tubes so we can get some stand sealant in those. Then once I get those fixed, then I got to get my two road bikes. So the red one here, and of course the truck is over in the hallway. And so we're going to work on cleaning both road bikes, getting the drivetrain all cleaned up, polished up, get frames all polished up and everything. And then in my wife's bike, had this bottom bracket for a little while. So she's got a little creaking sound in her bottom bracket. So I'm going to pull her bike in, swap the bottom bracket out, and get it all cleaned up and polished up as well. So all together today, I'm going to be working on, let's see, 3, 4, 5 different bikes today. So I'm going to put this camera in time lapse and we'll see how the video goes. See you in a bit. It's about 3 hours later, and we got all the bikes fixed and cleaned. I cleaned 3 bikes, so I didn't include all that in the video. So now that we have fresh, clean bikes ready to ride, well, a storm decided to roll in. It's already sprinkling, and the wind is blowing, so I think we're gonna have to scrap a ride for tonight, and we'll just hit one first thing tomorrow morning. So thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleanup on that time-lapse video. Ran into a few problems and had to take a break on a couple of things. So, but overall, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.